Long time ago, in the Daha kingdom led by a wise king, his name is King Kartamarta. The king had two beautiful princesses. His first princess was named Dewi Kalu, while her sister was named Chandra Kirana. Dewi Kalu has not a fiance, meanwhile Chandra Kirana has it. The fiance is the crown prince of Kahuripan. His name was Inu Kertapati. One day, he visited the Daha kingdom.
Good morning, Your Highness. Oh, Prince Inu, my future son-in-law. Come here, come in. This is your friend, Chandra Kirana. Good morning, Kirana. Good morning, Dewi.
Good morning, Prince Inu. I just want my room.
Oh, why? Why is Chandra Kirana always lucky? I will get off you, Chandra Kirana.
She was arrogant and jealous of Chandra Kirana. It made her pissed off. She went to the witch to help her to get rid of Chandra Kirana.
What makes the royal princess come here tonight?
I have a request. I want you to help me to get rid of Chandra Kirana. I will give you as much gold as you want.
The witch agreed on the request of Dewi Galuh. She wants to work with Dewi Galuh for some amount of gold.
Chandra Kirana.
Oh, what is this? Look here. This is the flower we used to plant. Huh? This is what grandma says. I curse you become a snail.
Suddenly, Chandra Kirana's body was covered with thick smoke. When the smoke disappeared, Chandra Kirana had turned into a chaos.
This curse will disappear if you meet your fiance. Before that happens, I can rid you first. Until then, the truth disappeared.
Why is she so mean to me? Have I ever hurt her?
Chandra Kirana, which turned into chaos, carried away from the Daha kingdom by the river.
Where does this river take me? What is this?
Wow, the smell has golden color. I wish never seen a smell like this.
It turned out that the net belonged to the granny who was looking for fish. The granny brought Keomas to her house. She took care of the Keomas in a bucket. Without the granny know in the morning, Keomas changed into a human until afternoon.
It's already afternoon. I have prepared to my dinner.
The granny came back home. How surprised she was because on the table had served some various delicious food.
What did all of this? What prepared it for me?
The next morning, the granny returned to the lake to look for fish. Again, when she returned, various dishes were served at the dinner table. The granny was curious and she decided to go home earlier in the next day. She also settled into the kitchen. The sound of someone cooking, she was surprised by a beautiful girl who was cooking in her kitchen.
What are you, beautiful girl?
Then, Chandra Kirana told everything to the granny. She also told her that the curse would disappear if she met her fiancé, Prince Inu.
I don't know when this curse will end, Granny. The person Kirana, keep on praying by your presence be answered.
Meanwhile, in the Hak Kingdom, Prince Inu wanted to look for his fiancé. He pretends to become poor people.
Don't worry, Your Highness. I will find Chandra Kirana. Track out the housing until we meet.
When Dewi Galuh heard Prince Inu would find her sister, she told the witch. Then, the witch turned into a black crow. She flew to find Prince Inu. Prince Inu on his way suddenly come to the crow walk's feet.
Left, to the left, follow me.
Huh? That crow can talk. Maybe it can lead me to find Chandra Kirana.
Then, Prince Inu was following the crow. He was unreleased by the witch was met the wrong way. On his way, Prince Inu found a crow which was located not far from Dadapan village. At Dadapan village, he stopped at a cottage house to ask for a drink. When he asked for some water, Prince Inu was surprised. Apparently, he stopped at the house of his granny who took care of her. Granny and Chandra Kirana looked surprised. At the same time, she was excited to see Prince Inu. When they meet each other, it meant the curse disappear. Returned to the Daha kingdom, Chandra Kirana told everything to her father because afraid of getting punished. Dewi Galuh escaped from the Daha kingdom and never returned. In the end, Chandra Kirana and Prince Inu lived happily together. Granny who had cared for her lived in the place. The moral value of this story is envy and jealousy can damage our mind and character. Stay away from it by always being grateful and positive thinking.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Of Prince Inu. Sige, ulang. Come in. Siap. Siap. Siap, sabar. Iya, wajar.
Ijen, gak bermaksud apapun.
Dulu lo petang.
This is the end.